Should be good now.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go get some tissues.
All right, welcome back. Today we're working on the 240Z race car project. I've got Eddie over here installing the glass for us. Say hi, Eddie.
Hi.
CJ ran off, go find some tissues or something. I don't know what's going on there. But this had a plexiglass windshield. You'll see it in some of the other videos. And I tried to take out all the screws, that didn't work. So now the broken screws I have to get out because Eddie says this has to be perfect. Otherwise he's leaving. So I was able to weld a nut on one of those and get that out. And then I'm just gonna cut these off flush, or attempt to. The other one I had to drill out and then weld the hole back up. It's stuck in there, so I'm trying to get it out, so I just welded a nut on top because it broke off. Yay!
Hi. Happy, Roman?
CJ, you want to clean this channel out? So yeah, we found out that from maybe the doors to the front of the car is a 240Z, and behind the doors it's a 280Z. I think they welded it together. Just put tape where you don't want it to be painted, because I'm painting the inside of this track.
I haven't seen one of these mirrors in years.
Usually on golf carts.
Really?
Yeah.
We used to use them in our mini trucks.
Yeah? Oh yeah, that's right. I guess I should cut this foam pool noodle or whatever this is.
Not a bad looking cage.
It's got some good stuff on it, I think. Ronan, you watching?
Look at that.
There it is. It's 100 times better.
Almost looks like a new car. That fits surprisingly well.
Nice. So apparently there's like chrome trim that goes inside the gasket here.
Take the window out to get it in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You might be able to sneak it in. I wouldn't worry about it.
Yeah.
It's your good luck finding it.
All right, here we go. So, got the glass installed. Next, we need to put the transmission in. I did get the fuel pumps running, so I do have fuel, but it's not exactly coming out the way I would anticipate. It seems like I have to blow through the gas tank just to get it started, and then the pump kind of starts pumping. But once we get the transmission in, the drive shaft in, and then the fuel thing figured out, oh, and connect all the engine components, as far as the alternator, the oil cooler lines, the fan, the belts, and the ignition, we should be ready to at least start this thing and see if it moves on its own power. So we did get the wheels painted and new tires put on the front and rear, which you can't see the rear right now. But stay tuned for more 240Z race car videos. See you in the comments.